In this video, we're going to talk about solo in place. Solo in place is something you really might want to do during sound check. Kind of the way that it works is when you hit the solo button, it mutes off everything else on the board and then just put that one channel in the main speakers. And in order for this to work correctly and to match what I'm doing here, we need to have these solo modes set correctly. There are two other solo modes on the AI boards, and they're available under System. If you go to System by hitting this button here and then go up to page 1, you'll see the solo modes. And if you go to solo mode, by default it will be on latch, and that's what we want it set on. For live sound, normally you'd have it set on latch, but you'll see that there's also a radio mode and a CR or a control room mode. But for right now, you'd want that set on latch. And if you have it set up that way, then this section right here, which is the solo bus, the pre-fader listen, and the solo in place button, relate to how the solo is going to work. But it's really simple if you're in solo in place. You hold down solo in place for a few seconds, and then it comes on with a bright light like this. And when you're in that mode, if we go over here on a channel and hit solo, all of the other channels on the board mute. That means they don't play. You just isolate the thing that you have soloed. Now you could solo something else as well, so you could have more than one thing soloed at the same time. But in general, it will take that and send it to the main. The solo bus level here and the PFL don't do anything with solo in place. So you don't have to worry about that for this video, only this button right here. So I'm going to turn this off, play back, and I'll show you how this works.
Presume that I won't get used to it, no. Give me a time or two more. Oh, 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 hold my hand. So hold my hand and know that I stand right by your side in all these good and bad times. Oh, I'm done.
Now, when I turn solo in place off, you'll notice when I hit solo, you don't hear anything. And that's because what you're hearing is the main out on the back of the board. It's the main out. When the solo in place is off, you're probably going to be monitoring the solo bus through your headphones. And we'll be covering that in the next video. So that's a summary of how solo in place works on the StudioLive AI board. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.